Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power to both router and the device you will connect. Once done, inspect the router. Identify the WAN port versus the LAN ports labeled 1.4. Make sure you have a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable with intact RJ45 connectors. Damaged clips cause intermittent links. Plug one end firmly into the device first so it stays stable, then proceed to the router port you selected. This prevents tugging and helps you verify port lighting as you connect. Now connect the cable. Align the RJ45 clip and insert straight into the selected port until it clicks. Do the same at the opposite end with the router. Use a LAN port for computers or switches. Use the WAN port only when linking to a modem or upstream network. Once inserted, look for a steady link LED and a blinking activity LED. This indicates a successful electrical handshake and data flow. If lights don't appear within a few seconds, reseat the connector and try a different port. Finish by verifying network connectivity on your device. Ensure DHCP is enabled or your static IP, gateway, and DNS are correct so traffic routes through the router. If you see no link light, swap the Ethernet cable and try another router port or another device to isolate cable versus hardware issues. Once you confirm connectivity, reboot the router and the connected device to clear caches and finalize the link. If problems persist, note the failing port and contact your ISP or replace the router port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.